Yeah, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to convert setup and maintenance page from Redwood to classic page. Okay, so this is a setup and maintenance page in the Redwood. Okay, just we will go back again, go to home button, click on settings and actions, click on setup and maintenance. So now the page is displaying in the Redwood. Okay, so now the page is displaying in the Redwood. So we want to convert this particular page from Redwood to classic. So in order to convert from Redwood to classic, we need to click here the three dots, more actions. So in this more actions, just go to additional setup tasks. So go to the last option, additional setup tasks. When you click on additional setup tasks, it will automatically convert into the classic UI. So now you can go to manage implementation projects. Okay, now you can click on plus symbol to create implementation project. Okay, or you can go to the global search. So again, it is coming back to the FSM. I can now go to the additional setup tasks. Now if you want to go to the global search, click on search option. And if you go to here, any particular one, you can go and search here. So let us take, if you want to search manage descriptive flex fields, just click here and search for the descriptive flex field tasks. So this is how we can convert setup and maintenance from Redwood to classic UI. Okay, thank you.